Go ahead.
I stand with the frontline communities and all of the individuals who have had their land destroyed and their water contaminated by destructive industries. And I'm here to say that I don't think that you stand for what's best for our planet or for the American people.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Since you're the future, by your own definition, what's your energy solution?
Is locally owned, renewable energy for the people, by the people, not for corporate profits.
What kind of energy?
Localized wind and solar.
So wind, which kills more birds than any other energy
That is
system.
inaccurate.
It is. Would you like to get? Would you like to guess how many birds are killed by wind? Enough that the current administration is actually exempting them from federal laws, which would put them in jail for the number of birds they're killing.
I'm sorry, but I think you should agree that the American people are a little bit more important than birds.
Ah, the American people are more important than birds? Okay.
But I will say that the tailings ponds.
I like that. I can't wait to report to the Sierra Club that I have been at Amherst and had somebody explain to me that people are more important than birds. This is a revolutionary moment.